Most online stores lose easy revenue simply because customers don't get a reason to buy more. A simple buy to get 25% off deal can change that instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the exact discount using WooCommerce step by step. No complicated settings, no developer needed. And here is the twist. You will see how this one offer can increase your average order value faster than almost any pricing strategy you are using right now. Okay, here you see this discount tag. Let's see how we add it in this web store. So for that, go to the WordPress admin panel, and the first thing we need to do is install a plugin from WooCommerce. So go to plugin and then click on install plugin. Now this page appears. From here, click on add plugin. Now search for WooCommerce discount rules. This is exactly what we are going to add for our discount. Here it is. And you notice that we already installed it, but if you are new and come to this page, here you will find an install button. You have to click on it. Now let's check if the plugin added in the WordPress or not. Let me find it. Okay. Here it is. That means we have successfully installed this plugin. Okay, right now we are going to add discounts. For that, have to go to WooCommerce and click on the discount rules. This is the page. To add discount, we need to click on this button called add new rules. But as you can see, I already added the discount. So let's get inside it and see how we did it. It's the same thing. You will get the idea from here. For that, I'm clicking on edit. Alright, so what you have to do, first give your discount name. For example, buy to get 25%. That's our name. Now we need to select the discount type. I'm choosing bulk discount. Next, going to choose product from here that we are going to give discount on. Now give the quantity. You can keep the max quantity to 0. Then you will find these three options here: percentage discount, fixed price for item. I have selected a percentage discount. You can choose whether you want. Now give your discount value. This one is the tag showcasing in the web store. You can give a title here. I'll keep it same as the main title. Alright, we are done. Now the only thing is to save the rule. So click on save. Okay, all done. After that, you will see the discount tag appear on your listing like this one. And that's it. One simple rule, one tiny plugin, and your store suddenly acts like it understands human psychology. Customers see a deal, buy more, and your average order value gets a nice little grow up. If you want this kind of optimization handled without you checking through 15 menus, the Ecomclips team does the stuff all day. Store setup, discount automation, CRO optimization, the whole ecosystem. You focus on business. We clean up the backend so your sales stop dragging on their feet. Check the description, reach out to Ecomclips and let your store behave like it actually wants to grow. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Peace.